Clinical research is primarily divided into two main categories. 1. Clinical trials and 2. Observational studies. Let us see first what clinical trials are. Clinical trials are testing of new treatments, medications, and medical devices on human subjects to determine safety, efficacy, and side effects. Clinical trials are conducted in different phases as follows. 1. Phase 1. Phase 1 clinical trial is conducted on a smaller population of healthy volunteers to determine the safety and appropriate dosage for the new treatments. 2. Phase 2. Phase 2 clinical trial is conducted on a larger population to determine the safety and efficacy of the treatment. 3. Phase 3. Phase 3 studies are conducted on large populations of human subjects to determine the safety and efficacy of the treatment. This phase also compares the newer treatment with that of existing treatments or with a placebo. 4. Phase 4. Phase 4 is typically called as post-marketing surveillance phase. Ideally, these Phase 4 studies are conducted after the treatment is approved by the regulatory agencies to monitor the safety and efficacy of the general population. As we now understand the fundamentals of clinical trials, let us understand what observational studies are. Observational studies typically do not include the administration of any new treatments. However, these studies are conducted to observe and collect the data of the patients who are receiving the existing treatments. Summary. Clinical research is highly regulated and ensures everyone follows safe and ethical practices. In the United States, Food and Drug Administration is the regulatory agency which regulates the complete conduct of clinical trials. It also reviews the data to determine if the new intervention or treatment is safe and can be approved for human use. IRB is an institutional review board that plays an important role to ensure that the clinical trial is conducted in safe, ethically, and more importantly that the study participants are protected. Importance of clinical research. Clinical research has led to some of the key important medical advancements which include but are not limited to new treatments for different diseases such as cancer, HIV, and many other diseases. It also plays a crucial role in improving patients' care and outcomes by evaluating the safety and effectiveness of newer treatments.